fine. Today I'll be singing a national anthem. मेरा मन करता है. Okay, and you will guess. I repeat, you will guess which country's national song I am singing. Okay. जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब सुबह नामे जागे तब सुबह आशीष मागे गाए तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. Okay, I hope I'm not a singer, but I tried my best and I gave my full person, 100% to sing it better. Okay. Now your question, what I asked before, that can you tell me from which country's national song I sang now? Can you guess? Can you guess? Yes, it is our country, India. Got it? So our today's lesson is the first chapter, that is India, size and location. Clear? The following are the topics. The topics are in this chapter: India's location, its size, India in the world, and its neighbors. Let us introduce this chapter. India is, you know our country, and we are Indians. India is one of the oldest civilizations and have a remarkable history. After independence from British rule, I have already last year discussed about the British rule. It achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress and also made a remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and overall economic development. Let us discuss its location. Let us discuss in heading wise the location. First one, location. In location, as you know, it lies entirely in northern hemisphere between latitudes of 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north and longitude 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. That means India lies in completely northern hemisphere, that is, you can say northeastern hemisphere, because of equator and prime meridian, its position you can know it. Divided by Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north, in almost 2 equal parts. That means our country is divided because of Tropic of Cancer passes through it. In southeast, Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in Bay of Bengal. In southwest, Lakshadweep Islands lie in Arabian Sea. Therefore, the Tropic of Cancer passes through the states of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Therefore, so this is called about location. Let us see its size. I hope you are opening your books in front of you so that you can know it better. India's landmass, which an area of 3.28 million square kilometer, occupies 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India is the 7th largest country of the world after Russia. In below, one picture is given in the book, and according to the area, the countries have been segregated. You can say arranged, not segregated, arranged. First one is Russia, then Canada, USA, China, Brazil, and Australia. India has a land boundary extends over 15,200 km, and its coastline including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep is about 7,516.6 km. So this is all about size. In the south of about 22° north latitude, India narrows and finally extends towards the Indian Ocean. It also divides it into two seas, the Arabian on the west and the Bay of Bengal on its east. In the northwest, north and northeast of India, young fold mountains bounds it. The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degrees. India's east and west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. The time along the standard meridian passing through Mirzapur, that is 82 degree 30 minute east, which is passing through Mirzapur in UP, is taken as the Indian Standard Time for whole country. The time gap between Arunachal Pradesh present in the east and Gujarat present in the west is about 2 hours. That means the sun rises in Arunachal Pradesh early 2 hours earlier than Gujarat. But the watches are showing the same time. How is it possible? This is the question. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north. So that question, what will be the answer? The answer is, because we have taken the standard meridian, that is 82 degree 30 minute east as the standard meridian, therefore Indian Standard Time, that is IST, is set and it is 5 hours 30 minute ahead of Greenwich time. So the standard meridian is which is passing through the Mirzapur in UP, that is 82 degree 30 minute east, is taken as the Indian Standard Time. Therefore the watches are showing the same time everywhere. Let us discuss the relation of India with the world. India is located in the center of the world between East and the West Asia. So, the routes across the Indian Ocean which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia provide a strategic central location to India. The Deccan Peninsula helps India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast and with South East and East Asia from the eastern coast. The ocean which is south of India given name Indian Ocean, as no other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has. Therefore, this is the only ocean which has been given the name after a country. The land routes of India are much older than sea route. Various passes across mountains in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers, as ocean limited such interaction for a long time. India have propagated the ideas of the Upanishads and the Ramayana, the stories of Panchatantra, the Indian numerals and the decimal system, as well as given spices, muslin and other merchandise to different countries. It also influences the Greek sculpture and the architectural styles of dome and minarets from West Asia can be seen in different parts of India.